Hey everyone, how y'all doing today? So are you still going to that outlet to plug the tree in and out? Well, this is going to make it easier for you to stop doing that. So for years, when I put up my Christmas tree, I will always go to the outlet and plug it in the evening, and then when it's time for bed, I would go out and unplug it from the wall. But nowadays, you don't have to do that. All you need is a smart switch. And this is what I use to actually turn my Christmas tree on and on. And this one is controlled by an app, so you can actually turn your tree off and on using the app. But you can take it one step further and hook it up to your Amazon device or your Google device. That way you can just control the tree by just using your voice. Tree on, tree off, depending on what kind of word you want to use for it. But this particular switch by TP-Link, that's who makes this one right here. There's many of them out there. Amazon got one, and there's other brands too. I tend to like the TP-Links. That's the reason why I'm featuring it in this video. So this particular switch also has scheduling built in. So if you want the tree to come on at a certain time in the evening and to go off a certain time of the night, then you can do that. You might want to have it on all weekend. You can set up a weekend schedule because each day can be a different time on and off, or even certain times of that day. So that's the reason why I like this one. And like I said, there's other switches out there that does some of those features and maybe the same. Now, one thing you want to make sure you get is one that's nice and compact. It doesn't matter if you get this brand or something else, but get one that just occupied one outlet, because you might want to use the other outlet for other things. And this one lets you do just that. So they're fairly simple to hook up. So let me take it out the box and show you how small the actual outlet is. The unit that plugs into the outlet, I mean. Yep, that's it right there. That's how small it is. It fits right into your outlet. And once you set it up, then like I say, you can use the app or your voice to control whatever you have plugged in it. I have another one that I used to use, but it was covering both of the outlets, and I decided to get one that's more small and compact. So this is what I'll be using from now on. So there's a three-step method to get this thing working. First, what you want to do is download the Chard app. K-A-S-A. I have the app already on my phone because I've been using this particular type of switch in the past, but in a different design. So once you download the app, you're going to hit that plus button and add a device. It's going to search and make sure this thing is plugging, because it's not going to find it if it's not getting any power. And after it finds it, then you just name it. So you can name it Christmas tree, lamp, or whatever you want to. But just remember that if you name it anything beyond Christmas tree or tree, then you'd have to remember what that name is when you tell your voice assistant to actually turn the tree on. Okay, so remember that. Now after you add the device to the app and then you get it connected to where it's working, you test it out to hit the power button on and off. Then you want to scan for new devices on your Amazon Echo. Once that's complete, an Amazon Echo device added to the list of smart devices, then now you'll be able to turn your tree on and off. Now one thing you need to note, that these switches have a load limit. Now according to this, the highest load I can see is 1500 watts. So that's telling me right now I should not plug anything in this device that goes over 1500 watts. So make sure if you get any one of these devices, you read that load limit to make sure you don't go over. So the kind of device that's going to pull more wattage out of this plug will be like a heater or an iron. So watch that limit and don't go over so you don't spark any kind of fires. On the side of this particular brand, there's a power switch right here, so you can manually turn the tree on and off, or whatever is plugged into it. So that's it. It's not a complicated device. You plug it in the outlet, download the app, connect the app to the device, and then start using it. But get one of these things right here, whether you get the TP-Link or another brand, because it can be a whole lot easier to turn that tree on and off during this Christmas season. Then once the season is over with, you can use it for other things. Turn on a lamp, turn on your coffee maker, or whatever else you want to use it for. So you can use it for other things beyond the Christmas season if you choose to do so. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the link in the description to this device right here if you want to pick one up. I want to thank you for taking the time for watching this video, and I look forward to see you next time. Have a good one.